Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. In today's session, we'll go for the first terminal revision, question number 6A and question number 6B. This is the paper pattern. Today we'll start with the question number 6A. Yesterday I have sent you the PDF to solve, so today I'll give you the solution. Question number 6A, change the degree. Number 1, the Gita is the most sacred book of the Hindus. Now what you have to do is, very first we have to just go for the degree that is given to you, that is the most sacred book. The noun given is book over here, so it is the type 1 in which superlative is given. So you are going to give positive and comparative. So we'll give the positive for there is no other book of the Hindus is as sacred as the Gita. Then you have to give the comparative with than any other. So it is the Gita is more sacred than any other book of the Hindus. Number 2, no other capital is as busy as London in the world. Now we are talking about the capital. Again, the common noun is capital and it is a singular with the word no other as and as. So it is type 1. Now you will be giving comparative and superlative. So you will begin with proper noun, that is London. So it is London is busier than any other capital in the world. Then you will be giving the superlative with using the word the. So it is London is the busiest capital in the world. Number 3, Titanic is the longest ship. Now I'm talking about the ship. Again, the common noun is a singular thing, singular noun. So we'll go for type 1. The word used over here is the. Superlative degree is given, so we'll give comparative and positive. First we'll give comparative with than any other. So we can say Titanic is longer than any other ship. Then we will give the positive with no other. So it is no other ship is as long as Titanic. Number 4, Kalidas is the greatest of Indian poets. Okay, so it is Indian poets when we are talking about, it's plural. Okay, so it's type 2 now. So we'll give the positive degree very first. So it is very few poets are as great as Kalidas. And then we'll give comparative with then many other. Not any other, but it's many other with type 2, that is plural. So it will be Kalidas is greater than many other poets. Number 5, December is one of the coldest month in India. It's type 2, okay, plural noun. So it is, they have given you superlative degree, you will be giving positive and comparative. So it is very few months are as cold as December in India. And then you will be giving comparative with then many other. So it is December is colder than many other months. Number 6, the Atlantic is deeper than the Arabian Sea. So here they have given you type 3 because two individuals. So two things, two oceans are directly compared, or you can say the Atlantic is compared, two water bodies are compared. The Atlantic is compared with the Arabian Sea. So first we have to just circle them as I have told you. Then we have to bring the last one ahead and the first one at the last. Now which degree is given to you? They have given you the comparative degree without a negative word. So you will be giving a positive degree with a negative word. And in type 3, superlative degree is not possible. So it will be Arabian Sea is not as deep as Atlantic Ocean or as Atlantic. Number 7, he runs faster than a deer. So they are compared, again comparison is there, he and a deer. Okay, so it's two individuals type 3. So you have to bring deer ahead. Okay, now here there's no helping verb, but instead of that they have given you an action verb, that is runs. So it belongs to the present tense, the verb that carries S. So we'll be using does. Okay, why am I using does? Because I want to use a negative word now. Because they have given you a comparative degree without a negative word. So we'll be giving a positive degree with a negative word. So it will be deer does not. Now this runs changes to run. Because of this S only we have used does. Okay, so it becomes deer does not run as fast as him. He changes to him. Number 8, difficulty is sweeter than victory. Again, two individuals, difficulty and victory. So bring victory ahead. Now your helping verb is given. They have given you comparative degree that does not contain a negative word. So you will be giving a positive with a negative word. That is, victory is not as sweet as difficulty, or victory is not so sweet as difficulty. Number 9, Mohini is not one of the greatest women in the world. Now here we have to go for the common noun, that is women. Now this belongs to the plural, okay, with a negative word, that is not one of the. So it is negative plurals, but in negative plurals is it type 1 or type 2? Okay, so it is actually the negative plurals type 5, that means another type. So it is some other women are greater than Mohini in the world, it is type 5. And then is Mohini is not so great as some other women in the world. Number 10, You Can Win is not so famous as some other books. Now books is a noun that is in plural, but here it can be type 2, 4 or 5, but when a negative word is used, it is definitely a type 4 or a 5. Moreover, it starts with the it's not, so, as. So here the positive degree is having a negative word, that means it is type 5. Now you have to give comparative and superlative. So comparative of type 5 will not contain any negative word, so we'll write some other books are more famous than You Can Win, the book's name. Okay. And then you give the superlative with using the word not one of the. So it becomes You Can Win is not one of the most famous books. Number 11, Shah Rukh Khan is not one of the most versatile actors. Now, when I'm talking about actors, plural, but containing a negative word, so it is either type 4 or 5, but it is not one of the, means it is type 5. So, we'll be giving positive and comparative. So, first we'll give comparative with some other, some other as and as. So, it will be some other actors are more versatile than Shah Rukh Khan. And then you will be giving positive, that is not so as. So it is Shah Rukh Khan is not so versatile as some other actors. Number 12, Meet is not the cleverest of all boys in the class. Now here we are talking about boys. When we talk about the common noun, it's plural, so it could be type 2, 4 or 5. But here negative word is used, so it is either 4 or 5. Okay, but as you can see that formula, that is not the of all. So this is a superlative formula for type 4. Okay, now here they have given you superlative of type 4, so you will be giving comparative and positive for type 4. Let us start with comparative first. So it is Meet is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. Now give positive with some other at least as and as. So the some other boys are at least as clever as Meet. Number 13, some other airports are at least as large as Bombay Airport. Now talking about airports, it is plural. So it could be 2, 4 or 5. So here there is no negative word, but just the way to recognize whether it is type 2, 4 or 5 is the table content or the formula content, that is some other at least as and as. Okay, now here some other at least as and as with a positive goes for the type 4. Okay, now type 4 positive they have given, you give comparative and superlative. So it is Bombay Airport is not larger than some other airports, and then Bombay Airport is not the largest of all airports. Number 14, Mrs. Kamla is not the smartest of all ladies. I'm talking about the ladies, it's plural, so it could be type 2, 4 or 5, but as a negative word is given, so it is either 4 or 5. Now it is not the of all. Okay, now this is the superlative degree formula for type 4. Now they have given you superlative, you give positive and comparative. So give comparative with then some other. So it is Mrs. Kamla is not smarter than some other ladies. And then you give the positive with some other at least as and as. So it is some other ladies are at least as smart as Mrs. Kamla. Number 15, Maruti is more popular than most other car brands. Now we are talking about the car brands, it's plural. Now here it could be 2, 4 or 5, but it's how you will recognize it. It's not a negative word is not given. Moreover, it's only then most other or then many other. Okay, so this is the formula for type 2. Now here they have given you comparative, you will be giving superlative and positive. Let us first start with superlative with one of the. So Maruti is one of the most popular car brands. Now give positive with the words very few as and as. So it is very few car brands are as popular as Maruti. The next question is question 6b. Change the following sentences using relative pronouns. Anjali doesn't watch films. Her mother is an actress. I'm talking about the antecedent. As we all know that antecedent, after antecedent only we'll be putting our relative pronoun. Okay. So antecedent is actually a noun for which the pronoun stands. So Anjali, and you have to use it here. We have given what you have to use. So we have to use whose. So it is Anjali, whose mother is an actress, doesn't watch films or movies. Sarah plays the piano brilliantly. She is only 8 years old. Now you have to use the word who. So I'm talking about Sarah. So Sarah is the antecedent. After Sarah, immediately put the relative pronoun. So Sarah, who is only 8 years old, plays the piano brilliantly. That man was Anna's brother. He just walked past. So you have to use who. Okay, so I'm talking about that man. So it is that man who just walked past was Anna's brother. This is the letter. Mother has been looking for this letter. So you have to use that. And actually the antecedent is the thing. So that you can use which also and that also. So because it is mentioned here, so we'll be using that. So this is a letter that mother has been looking for. Number 5, they visited the village, it is on the hill. Now here the antecedent is the village, and that we have to use which. So it is they visited the village which is on the hill. Number 6, the guests have arrived, I was speaking of them. Now here you were speaking of the guests. So now your guest just stands as a object. So from here we have not given you what you have to use, but you have to think what you have to use. Okay. So we'll use whom because it stands as the object. So it is the guests whom I was speaking of have arrived. This them will cut because them stands for the guests only. I know the man, he received an award for excellent service. So you are knowing it the man, okay, and this man is there, the man. We are talking about the man now. And it serves as an antecedent, so we'll use subject who, that is I know the man who received an award for excellent service. Next is she was my teacher, I will never forget her. So it is my teacher we are talking about, okay, and she was my teacher, and you are saying that I will never forget her. So I is the speaker or subject, and her, that a teacher, stands as an object. So you'll be using whom now. So it is she was my teacher whom I will never forget. Number 9, I want to taste the curry, you made it in the morning. Now here you have to see that we are talking about the curry. So curry is the antecedent and it's just a thing. So we'll be using which or that. So I want to taste the curry that you made in the morning. Okay, now it stands for the curry, so we have eliminated it. Number 10, Finland has lots of lakes. Rohit spent his holidays in Finland. Now we're talking about Finland, okay, and it's a place, so you can use that also and you can use which also. So it is Rohit spends his holidays in Finland, which has lots of lakes, or that has lots of lakes. Next is, okay, so it was only 10. I'll be even sending you the PDF of this solution, children. Thank you.